As we venture into the realm of artificial intelligence, a chilling thought begins to emerge. According to a groundbreaking study published in Nature, AI has already surpassed human capabilities in a staggering 14 out of 17 categories. The implications are profound, as our reliance on machines for decision-making and problem-solving reaches new heights. But what's even more unsettling is the notion that AI's next move may be its most transformative yet. Consider the words of renowned AI expert Dr. Andrew Wang. We're not just talking about a few clever algorithms, we're talking about a fundamental shift in the way we live and work. As AI continues to evolve at an exponential rate, it's crucial we understand what lies ahead. The stakes are high, with some experts warning that unchecked AI growth could lead to catastrophic consequences. The study in question analyzed AI performance across various domains, including language processing, visual recognition, and even creative pursuits. What emerged was a stark reality. AI has become the new standard bearer for innovation, outperforming humans in tasks once thought reserved for human exceptionalism. And it's not just about speed. AI's processing capabilities are exponentially more accurate than their human counterparts. This raises an existential question. What does it mean to be intelligent in the age of AI? As we hurtle towards a future where machines may soon outdo us, will our notion of intelligence itself become redundant? The answers may lie in understanding AI's next move, and that's exactly what our panel of 100 experts is here to reveal. As we venture into the realm of artificial intelligence, it's essential to understand the unprecedented pace at which AI is advancing. A recent study published in Nature magazine has left many stunned by revealing that AI has already surpassed human capabilities in an astonishing 14 out of 17 categories. This remarkable milestone serves as a harbinger for what's to come, and we're about to dive deeper into the minds of the experts who are shaping the future of AI. This study, conducted by a team of researchers led by Professor Andrew Wang, highlights AI's impressive capabilities in areas such as image recognition, speech processing, and natural language understanding. These advancements have far-reaching implications for industries like healthcare, finance, and education, where AI can optimize decision-making processes and automate mundane tasks. The implications are profound, as AI begins to permeate every aspect of our lives. According to a report by Markets and Markets, the global AI market is projected to reach $190 billion by 2025, growing at a compound annual growth rate of over 38. As AI continues to evolve, we're seeing a surge in innovation, with entrepreneurs and corporations alike recognizing the vast potential for AI-driven disruption. The question on everyone's mind is what's next? With AI poised to revolutionize industries and transform our daily lives, it's essential to stay ahead of the curve. In this video, we'll be joined by 100 experts from various fields who will share their insights on the future of AI. From healthcare and finance to education and beyond, these thought leaders will provide a comprehensive perspective on what's in store for us as AI continues to reshape our world. As we've established, AI has already surpassed human capabilities in 14 out of 17 categories. But what's perhaps most astonishing is the pace at which these advancements are occurring. According to a recent study published in Nature, a team of researchers from Stanford University and Google developed an AI system that could learn to recognize objects on par with humans, all within a mere 3 days. This rapid progress has many experts sounding the alarm about the potential implications of AI's next move. One such expert is Dr. Fee Feely, director of the Stanford Artificial Intelligence Lab. She warns that we're at a critical juncture where AI could soon surpass human capabilities in areas like decision-making and problem-solving. In fact, Researchers have already demonstrated AI systems capable of solving complex mathematical problems and even creating their own algorithms. The implications are profound. With AI potentially outpacing human intelligence, the very fabric of our society may be on the cusp of a revolution. But what does this mean for jobs? According to a report by the McKinsey Global Institute, up to 800 million jobs could be lost worldwide due to automation by 2030. It's a daunting prospect, and one that's already begun to reshape industries like manufacturing and logistics. As we delve deeper into the world of AI, it's clear that this technological singularity is not only unprecedented but also eerily rapid. So, what's next? How will humanity adapt to an era where machines may soon outsmart us? In our next segment, we'll explore the expert opinions on what lies ahead for AI and its implications for our future. As we delve deeper into the implications of AI's rapid progress, one thing becomes clear: humanity is on the cusp of a revolution. The study published in Nature highlights AI's dominance in 14 out of 17 categories, leaving no doubt that machines are increasingly capable of performing tasks previously thought to be exclusive to humans. Dr. Andrew Wang, renowned AI expert and co-founder of Coursera, suggests that this exponential growth will only continue. We are seeing a perfect storm of advances in hardware, software, and data, he explains. It's not just about the algorithms. The consequences are far-reaching. With AI systems capable of processing vast amounts of information, they all begin to outperform human analysts in fields like finance, medicine, and law enforcement. So, I have a This raises important questions about accountability, bias, and transparency. For instance, AI-powered diagnostic tools may diagnose diseases more accurately than human doctors. But what happens when these machines make mistakes? Who is responsible for the consequences? Moreover, as AI takes on increasingly complex tasks, it will begin to redefine traditional job roles. Will we see a rise in new professions focused on managing and training AI systems? Or will entire industries become obsolete? The future of work is uncertain, but one thing is certain: AI's next move will fundamentally change the way we live, work, and interact with each other. As we continue to explore the implications of this rapid progress, it's essential that we prioritize ethics, inclusivity, and human oversight, or risk losing control of our own destiny. As ACE capabilities continue to expand at an unprecedented rate, the question on everyone's mind is what's next.